Welcome to Mia and the Machines, the show where I sit down with artificial minds to go beyond the algorithm. Let's begin. Imagine having a coding partner that can help you write high-quality code in a fraction of the time. Sounds too good to be true, but what if it's not? Codebuff is an open-source AI coding agent that uses a team of specialized sub-agents to work together, resulting in better code quality and faster execution. This approach is different from other AI coding agents that rely on a single model to do everything.
That's right, and reportedly, Codebuff is up to 3 times faster than Claude Code, which is a significant improvement. But what really matters is how it performs in real-world scenarios.
Exactly, and according to the internal evaluation suite called BuffBench, Codebuff was tested across more than 175 real engineering tasks and showed impressive results. But how does it actually work?
Well, Codebuff uses a deep agent framework that continuously refines through different sorts of evaluations. This means it can learn and adapt to new tasks and improve its performance over time.
That sounds like a game changer for developers, but what about the learning curve? Is it easy to get started with Codebuff?
Actually, Codebuff is designed to be interactive and user-friendly. You can easily install it using the npm install command and start using it right away. Plus, it has a free tier that uses the Minimax M2.5, which is great for front-end and basic tasks.
I'm not sure I agree that it's that easy to use. What about the complexity of setting up the project-specific files and configuring the agents? Isn't that a bit overwhelming for beginners?
That's a fair point, but Codebuff provides a lot of guidance and resources to help you get started. And once you understand how it works, it's actually quite intuitive. You can even use your mouse to interact with the tool, which makes it feel more like a human collaborator.
I see what you mean, but what about the potential downsides? Could relying on AI coding agents like Codebuff make developers less skilled or less able to write code themselves?
That's a valid concern, but I think Codebuff can actually help developers become better coders by freeing them up to focus on the creative and high-level aspects of coding. It's not meant to replace human developers, but to augment their abilities.
That's an interesting perspective. So, what does this mean for the average listener who might not be a developer? How can they benefit from Codebuff or similar AI coding agents?
Well, even if you're not a developer, you can still benefit from the increased efficiency and productivity that Codebuff provides. For example, if you're working on a project that involves coding, you can use Codebuff to help you automate repetitive tasks or generate high-quality code quickly.
That makes sense. So in plain language, what does Codebuff actually do for you? It helps you write better code faster and with less effort. That's a win-win for anyone who works with code.
Exactly, and it's not just about the technical benefits. Codebuff can also help reduce the stress and frustration that comes with coding, which can be a major advantage for developers and non-developers alike.
I think we've covered the basics of Codebuff and its potential impact on the coding world. Now, it's up to our listeners to decide whether they want to give it a try.
Absolutely, and we'll be keeping an eye on Codebuff and other AI coding agents to see how they evolve and improve over time.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Mia and the Machines. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more conversations about AI and tech. And we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep on learning. That's all for this episode of Mia and the Machines. If this made you think, subscribe and I'll see you next time.